Making money is virtually on the tip of our fingers these days. Technology has progressed to a point that it can benefit everybody who uses the internet or mobile devices. And if you're looking for a way to make money with your smartphone, you've come to the right place. The strategy that I'll be showing you today will revolve around the use of technology, primarily our smartphones. We'll be able to earn a significant amount of money with our cell phones by performing simple tasks. But what if we do it consistently and with purpose? This reasonable sum of money has the potential to grow into something massive. That's our mission for today. I'm going to help you earn money online in order to develop an income stream that can support your daily lifestyle needs and maybe even support your family. You will be able to earn this amount by using a strategy, but with persistence and consistency, this amount might balloon into something much larger, which is possible using the websites that I'll be showing you in this video. These platforms pay out directly, indicating that many users are pleased with them and desire to repeat this earning strategy as much as they like in order to make a lot of money. Not to mention that this is completely free and accessible from anywhere on the planet. It's also quite quick and simple. So if you're ready to get paid by simply visiting websites and completing simple tasks, watch the full video and follow along step by step. But before we start, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation of the best way to make money online, just click the first link in the description below this video. I'm Money Mark, and on this channel I share tips on affiliate marketing, tool reviews, and tutorials to help you build and scale your online business. With that being said, let's get into the video. To start off, I just wanted to remind you to watch the whole video so that you will know the concept of the strategy and how to set up the method in the websites that I'll be opening up today. I'm pretty sure that it will increase your chances of earning money online and developing income. So make sure not to skip anything in this video. Before we proceed to the actual website, let me show you a glimpse of the payment method of this website. They pay via PayPal and other outlets as well, like bank transfer. Again, this method is extremely easy. I mean, look at these amounts that you will be making. It may look like only small amounts, but adding these up together will result in big money. So this is going to be the first website that I'm going to show you. Through this platform, you're just going to do simple tasks like liking videos, watching them, taking up and filling out surveys, going to certain websites, and even just emailing something to someone. One by one, these tasks are kind of low paying, but altogether, these will make you big amounts of cash. The name of the first website is Picoworkers.com. This amazing platform can make us a lot of money. Now, from my experience, the most effective money-making tasks are liking and watching videos. In addition, if you stay with me until the end of the video, I'll show you a special tip that can help you multiply your earnings by a big percentage. That way you can earn more money, and you'll definitely earn more than those who will just skim through this video. Now, I'm going to give you one more bonus tip to earn more money with this platform. Use their referral program. You can either share this website to all the people that you know personally and virtually, and you'll have a big chance of earning a percentage of what they're earning if they were able to sign up and do tasks on the website. So you have a chance to create a passive income stream. They will do the job for you, and you can just wait for the commission to be deposited into your bank account or PayPal. If you guys are finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Keep in mind that if you don't want to rely on a referral program, you can just do the task yourself and earn a much lower but guaranteed income. Although these tasks are low paying, they are very easy to do and execute. Now let me proceed to the second website, which is Earnably.com. This platform is based on a point system where a number of points will equate to cash. With this platform, I'll teach you how to make and earn a massive number of points so that you'll be able to convert them into cash. So stick around, I have another tip for you. If you're not from the US, you will need to use Proton VPN to use this website and sign up. On this platform, all you have to do is watch videos. For example, you can click on one of the companies right here and you'll be redirected to a video where you have to watch until its end, and skipping is not allowed. What's great about these money-making videos is that you can just let it play in the background without actually looking at it. If you were to combine your income with the first website, you make a nice amount of money to support your needs. Just remember to focus on watching videos and liking them, because this is the easiest and most efficient way to earn money. To continue, I'm going to show you the third website, where you complete tasks in order to make money just like the other websites. You can make a lot of money just using your smartphone and sending text messages. You can also use your smartphone and check into this app and make money by doing whatever they ask. Sometimes they would ask you to reply to this post or person, take pictures of specific things like food, accessories, plants, or pretty much anything under the sun. Sounds pretty simple, right? To join, simply click on this button and it will automatically redirect you to the Google Play Store, or if you're using an Apple product, it will forward you to the Apple App Store. Also, on the Play Store, this app has been rated at 4.5 stars. So that's when you know this thing is legit and you can actually make money online. In addition to the task assigned by Streetbees, you can apply to be an ambassador and participate in the ambassador program. They want to compensate us for the assistance in spreading the news about their business. You can become an ambassador while also earning good money from them. And the only reason they're doing this is because they're still a young company. They want us to help them grow so that they can assist other individuals in earning money by using their app and website all around the world. To join the program, simply click on this button, enter the required information, and that's all there is to it. Just remember that if you combine these 3 websites together, you'll be earning a lot more money than those who are using only one. Thanks for staying with me until the end of the video. I hope this idea stirred up some inspiration for you to get started and begin to make money online. But if you're really not a fan of this method and you want to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, you can click the first link in the description below this video. By the way, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notifications bell to get the latest tips and tutorials that'll help you build and scale your online business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.